In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to factory reset your iPhone so you can safely sell it, trade it in, or give it away without leaving your Apple ID or personal data behind. So first, what you're going to do is launch settings. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top, then click on the option iCloud. Now scroll down to iCloud Backup and make sure Backup this iPhone is turned on. Then tap Backup now and allow the backup to complete. While that's happening, you can also cancel Apple Care for the device if you have subscribed. Just go back to your Apple account page, tap subscription, find Apple Care for this iPhone and cancel it. Once your backup is complete, return to the Apple account page and scroll down to the bottom where you'll see the option of Shine Out. Tap on that option, then select Erase this iPhone, which prepares the device for transfer by removing your Apple ID and personal information. Tap Continue, then Erase iPhone and enter your passcode. Your iPhone will check that your data has been backed up, and you can choose Skip Backup if you prefer. After that, enter your Apple ID password to confirm and the iPhone will begin the factory reset process. It may restart several times, and once it's done, the device will show the standard setup screen where the next owner can choose their language and sign in with their Apple ID. And that's it. This is how you can securely factory reset your iPhone before selling it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.